City News.
Tackling social issues through art. The toy dioramas that are created by students, sparking conversation and change.
Kids get to work with these big issues and make their own dioramas in my new workshops, held at Trinity St. Paul's United Church, 427 Bloor Street West.
A local artist who uses toys as a tool to promote activism and thought is now sharing her art with local students in a unique way. Audra Brown with how toy dioramas are helping kids express their views on important world issues.
Right across our school, we actually have a food bank that everyone is lining up for, and we want to help people by making this diorama.
These students are using toys to explain their thoughts on some big world issues.
There's a guy, they're saying, like, what are you seeing technology if it's all around you, books and then parks on it that you can see.
You wish people would put down their technology more? That's what this is all about?
Yeah.
Retired teacher Martha Davis has combined two seemingly unrelated passions, collecting toys and social justice. She creates playful yet insightful dioramas to spark thought and conversation.
As models for climate change, as models for animal welfare, as models for belonging.
And now she has expanded her art to include workshops for students across the GTA.
It's playful and kids relate to play. And the more fun they have with things, the more they take things in.
And when you're playing with toys, your attention span grows bigger.
I hope they take the idea that they can be participants in cleaning up the world, in healing our world. That's the theme today, is healing our world. So I hope that they can take it forward and believe that they can do something about stuff.
Well, the idea now is that the students will take photographs of their dioramas back to the classroom
to further spark conversation. In Toronto, Audra Brown, City News.